know that one of the best smartphone and is manufactured by one of the best smartphone brand, that is our Apple and the iPhone series. And in this video I am going to talk about 15 facts about iPhone. And the first one is origin of iPhone. At first the iPhone was not going to be a smartphone. Steve Jobs actually told his engineers to take a look at the touchscreen technology, which was not available at that moment. Later the engineers came out some kind of touchscreen prototype to Steve Jobs' tablet. So he asked the engineers to redesign it and to make it into a smartphone, and it was launched in the market because he was not sure that it might not be successful because tablet was not available at that time. And the second one is the announcement of first iPhone. The first iPhone was introduced in the world by Steve Jobs and it was on January 9th, 2007, and it was in San Francisco, California, and on that day he said that today is going to reveal in his phone. On that day he has launched the revolutionary touchscreen smartphone ever in that time, because there was no touchscreen phones at that time. And third one is 941 iPhone. You might be seeing that all the iPhone mobiles will be giving a time in that 941, because at first when he launched the first iPhone it was 9:42 local time in San Francisco, California, but later when he had released iPad it was 9:41. So he has standardized the time, that is 9:41, to all the iPhone. And fourth one is release of iPhone. So the iPhone was released in the market in 29 June 2007, and at that time there was only two variants of that phone, 4GB RAM and 8GB RAM, and that is only difference between the two phones. The two phones which comes with a different price range, that is 4GB RAM is for $499 and 8GB RAM is for $599. And then thousands of people were going to buy this smartphone, and in a half an hour there was a stock shortage for all the retail shops because of the large amount of phone was sold on that day. And the fifth one is iPhone EULA. So you might be thinking, what is EULA? So EULA is End User License Agreement. In this agreement there is lots and lots of parts, that is the iPhone can do this, cannot do this, can use this. So you might not read all of this and just accept it away. So in that it is clearly said that iPhone cannot be used for making nuclear bombs, chemicals, missiles or bioweapons cannot be made using the Apple products and also the iPhone. And the sixth one is 2012 iPhone, because 2012 it was golden type of Apple, because lots and lots of iPhone was bought by people at that time. So it was called as a golden time of iPhone, that is the 2012 of iPhone. And it was estimated that 350,000 people was buying iPhones per day in 2012. So the next one is total number of iPhones sold by Apple every year. But fortunately the Apple has stopped giving out the number of iPhones sold report to the media or to outside from November 1st, 2018. So I got only the information till 2018. From 2016 there was a decrease in the number of people buying this iPhone. So that's why they might be stop giving out the sold report of iPhone. So if you enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel, will be appreciated. So next one is revenue from iPhone. And Apple has many products like Apple iPad, iPod, iWatch. However, the most popular of them is the iPhone, that is the iPhone series. And it was reported that they got a revenue of $25 billion quarterly of 2019 by selling this iPhone alone. So they getting a huge amount of revenue from this iPhone alone. And as soon as returning of iPhone customers. So there are many customers who are using Apple products. When new models are launching in the market, they will be surely buy that. So that's why I made that of the returning of iPhone customers. Okay, so the next one is App Store in iPhone. Nowadays almost every phone's getting a App Store or a Play Store pre-installed, but it was Apple who started this system and make the people to get their apps and install apps legally. And the next one is Samsung versus Apple. So from outside we have seen that Apple and Samsung were enemies, but no, behind that they were good friends, because Samsung is manufacturing processors for Apple were making displays for Samsung also. So they are mutually giving something each other. The last one is the meaning of. I've seen that all the iPhone, all the iPad, all the iWatch is given with a I along with that. Steve Jobs actually told us what is I. The I means internet, because at that time of the Apple launching the iPhones, there was no internet access directly to a phone or a tablet. So that was first one to get the direct internet access to. So he called the I as the internet, and he started giving along with all the Apple products. So these are the facts I am going to talk to you in this video. So hope you like this video. I am Rohit and you're watching Mr. Rubiks Solver, and I will catch you in the next one.